How to add funds on the MEXC account. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open MEXC app on your device and you can see this type of interface. To add funds, go ahead and tap on wallets on the bottom right hand corner. You can find deposit. Go ahead and tap on deposit. There are three ways that are being shown: on-chain deposit, P2P trading, and buy crypto. So you can choose any one of these. So this one is exactly on-chain deposit. You can easily transfer crypto from other wallets or platforms. The second one is P2P trading. You can buy at the best price with 100 plus payment methods. So if this might be suitable for you, just go ahead and tap on it. You can see this type of interface when you can buy all of the cryptos, or you can just go ahead and add in your debit or credit card as well. Just go ahead and tap on it. You can add in your credit card info, and thus you can easily add in your funds on the MEXC account. So go ahead and add in your debit credit card, or else if you want to buy crypto, you can just go ahead and click on this option of on-chain deposit. You can click on this and select the network. After you do so, you can share your address, you can get the money in and add the funds as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.